Good afternoon to all. Today, under the Spheres ISC and Department of Electrical Engineering, we are going to conduct a session on advanced innovation, exploring technology, manufacturing, and investment readiness level. For this session, our research person is Dr. Mohan Thakre sir. He is associate professor from our Department of Electrical Engineering, Spheres COE, Pandharpur. He has near about experience in academic 8+, then in industry 5 years, and in research 5 years and 6 months. So this session is quite useful to you as considering your future, as considering the research work, as considering your project works and all other things. Okay, I will invite sir to carry on the session onwards.
Regarding that idea, and that's why we are getting it. Getting my point? So in this session we will discuss about content, introduction, then understanding the readiness level, significance of readiness level, exploring the technology readiness level, navigating manufacturing readiness level, then unveiling the manufacturing readiness level, enhancing the readiness level, applying the readiness level across the industry. Then collaboration and decision making, future trend and implication, and then question answers. Okay. So all this content we will cover in this session. Then objective, for what purpose we are doing that? They have mentioned the provide the comprehensive understanding of the technology readiness level, TRL, manufacturing readiness level, and investment readiness level. Because with 3 levels must be understand in terms of product development. So second objective for this session is estimate the significance of this readiness level in driving successful technology development, deployment, as well as implementation and commercialization. What is meant by commercialization? Anybody? Are you aware about that? The product commercialization means what? Successfully, that product will be matured. Product must be matured, and then that product will in the market for the selling point of view. Okay. Suppose we are talking about the Videocon TV or LG TV or any LG fridge and so and so. So that product is already matured. That's why everyone is blind faith keeping on that product and directly purchasing. Getting my point? So that is called the matured level of that product in case of the commercialization. Then third one is the explore how TRL, MRL and IRL synergy to optimize the innovation pathway and how that 3 methods or 3 technology can be developed. Now the outcome is related to that. Grasp the core concept or notions of TRL, MRL and IRL framework, these three concepts. But again we need to aware about that the sub steps related to the readiness level. Next one is this is the pivotal role of readiness level in accessing technology. Next, maturity and feasibility. What kind of maturity of particular concept and what type of feasible is that. Then third one is the understood how the readiness level influence the decision making, assessment to strategic resource allocation. Cultivate the ability of foster innovation by leveraging the readiness level effectively and here to apply and how to apply. Okay. Then appreciate the collaborative nature of readiness level evaluations among the stakeholders. So again, collaboration, and that is again important because single person cannot do all those things. Sometimes technology readiness level requires the manufacturing readiness, that is the support system. Again, once all those kinds of manufacturing readiness level will be matured, then they will contact with the investment readiness. They are correlated to each other. That is again technology readiness level is the first step. Second is the manufacturing readiness level, and third one is the investment. Without investment level or readiness level, the product cannot come into the market. Getting? So again, translate insight gain into the real world application because each and every product, whatever we are utilizing day to day life, आपण म्हणतोय ना नेहमी की that सोनीचा मोबाईल किंवा सोनीचा टीव्ही, it means that the product is already matured and publicly popular. Getting? So that real world application across the diverse industry, they be empowered to make informed decisions related and technology development, manufacturing and investment opportunity based on the readiness level assessment. And this is the outcome related to this issue. Next one. Now, while understanding that the technology readiness level, manufacturing and investment readiness level, we must aware about that the prerequisite, because while applying all those, you are second year student, you have not idea about how to develop the project, how to design the project, how idea convert into product. Okay, how one of the hardware project is there, how to convert that idea into hardware. Where to take the help, how to take the help, how to invest, where to purchase. So many questions is but we are not going to implement. We are randomly or blank mind. We are contacting to someone and sir, please tell me. Like that, sir is the God and he knows each and everything. So as prerequisition, we have to contact, how to contact, whom to contact, or the concern, whatever question is regarding it. So here the prerequisite for the understanding the readiness level, first we need to understand basic technological awareness. What kind of technology we are going to implement, what kind of technology we are going to develop or propose. So, and again that technology awareness category we need to identify. Getting my point? Second one is the foundational manufacturing understanding. Foundational manufacturing understanding means, suppose I want to develop one pen. Getting? So, what kind of manufacturing material is required, which is the economical. Then again that material will be compared to the current product or in the market. Then and then only we are foundational manufacturing understanding will be there. Make it survey. So all these quantitative and qualitative comparison must be there because some pen, we want to purchase one pen cost is 25 rupees and another pen cost is 2 rupees. We need to understand quality and quantitative. So wanna go for quantitative or qualitative, that is okay. But again, if you want to launch your product in the market, you need prerequisition related to foundational manufacturing understanding in terms of survey, in terms of technical work. Then third point is the financial and investment ability. That is financial and investment ability. मी माझ्या प्रोजेक्टवर माझे 50 रुपये 500 रुपये 5,000 रुपये टाकतो because I want to propose or launch the product and that amount is not enough to come into the market. That's why financial approach is very important. Then again investment. Who will invest in my product? Once your technology will be developed, manufacturing technology will develop, then investment. You will invest for people. So again that investment in the market. You need to capture all the investors to show manufacturing readiness level and investment readiness level. Then engineering terminology. again that what product is related to engineering is related to another social form in another. So that point is very important. If it is not technology point of view, it is medical point of view, it is social point of view, so contact with the social point of view. Don't compare that social issue with the technological point of view because there is no base. Getting my point? So need for field visit for the engineering terminology is there. So go according to the terminology. It is ICT based, it is manufacturing based, it is IoT based. So then contact with the IoT person, not ICT. Then next one is the interdisciplinary curiosity. आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि curiosity क्या होना चाहिए interdisciplinary. We are just up to the electrical engineering, not more than that. We need to understand the mechanical engineering. Sometimes we need to understand civil engineering. Sometimes we need to understand sometimes we need to understand